Hi peeps, it's another city girl here tuning in with another video. Before we begin, if you're new here, my channel provides luxury and lifestyle content. Please subscribe to my channel so you will be notified of when new videos will be posted. So jumping into today's video, it is an unboxing video of some of the small leather goods that I have purchased over the last year from Hermes, YSL, also known as Saint Laurent, and Gucci. So the first item that I am going to open is going to be from YSL, Saint Laurent. And it came beautifully packaged with this ribbon and gift wrapped. And there it is. It is a YSL card holder in silver and black patent leather, and it has silver hardware on the front. So just a little bit of information about this item. It was an online exclusive and it was purchased off of ysl.com. And the next item I am going to open is going to be from Gucci. So when you order off of Gucci, everything comes gift wrapped in their new signature black and white box and black ribbon. And there it is. The item that I got from Gucci is the Supreme B card case. This is a limited edition with little silver bees all over the classic Gucci monogram. The next item that I am going to unbox is going to be from Hermes. So unlike the other items that are typically purchased online, I actually went in person to the Hermes store on Bloor Street in Toronto. And the client advisor that helped me was Chris. I just want to give a shout out to Chris. Thank you so much for your help. And I'm going to open the box and show you what's inside. So the item that I got from Hermes is the Bastia coin purse. This is actually the goat skin. It has this beautiful turquoise green, and surprise, there is a pink interior. So I managed to snag one with two different colors, which is pretty rare. And I went through 10 of these before I found the one. Finally, I am going to open the other Saint Laurent piece that I got. And the other item that I got from YSL is the Lulu card case in the Metallizé Y leather. And the hardware on the front is oxidized nickel. And the color of this leather is asphalt gray. A little story about this card holder. I actually got this online on sale. It was previously $406 on the Canadian website, and it was on sale for $280. So that's the great thing about YSL. I find that if you keep looking, you'll be able to find things end of season sales, so keep an eye out. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. And let me know in the comment section below which one of these small leather goods is your favorite. Or you can let me know what you would like to see in my next video. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.